Hi everyone, I'm Marie with Southern Country Living. Our video today is Zuppa Toscana soup. I thought this would fit in with my last two soup videos. This video is a little different. Calvin will be narrating while I do the cooking, and this is a very delicious soup. So let's get started.
Our ingredients, we're going to use 1 pound of ground Italian sausage, and we chose the mild version. We're going to use 1 whole onion diced up. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. We will be using 4 russet potatoes. Maria's going to dice them up into 1-inch cubes. We'll be using 2 cans of chicken broth and 6 ounces of heavy whipping cream. We're going to use 2 big handfuls of kale that's chopped up into bite-sized pieces. And we'll be adding Parmesan cheese, shredded Parmesan cheese, on top of the soup when it's finished. To get started with this recipe, we're going to put the ground sausage into a frying pan, let it start browning. Maria's adding the 1 diced onion to it. And now she's adding 3 tablespoons of garlic. We're going to let this brown till it's completely brown, and then we will be draining the grease off of it. Make sure that you drain as much of the grease off as you possibly can. Next, we're going to be adding the sausage and the onion mix into the crock pot. Now Marie's going to add the potatoes to it. She's going to put salt and pepper. I just put in a small amount to suit your taste. Next, Marie is going to add the chicken broth. After you add the chicken broth to it, stir it up real good, and you may need to add a little bit of water to it to make sure that the potatoes are completely covered. For our recipe, we're going to be adding 1 cup of water to make sure the potatoes are covered completely. For this recipe, we're going to be cooking it on high for 4 hours. Okay, it's been cooking for 4 hours now. So we've just opened it up. We're adding 6 ounces of heavy whipping cream. Marie's going to stir it up real good. Now she's going to add the kale to it. Now we're going to let it cook for 30 more minutes after Marie gets through stirring it up good. Okay, it's finished cooking. I wish you could smell it. It really smells great. So Marie's gonna fix us up a plate full of it right now. This really looks delicious. Can't wait to try it. She's gonna add the Parmesan cheese to the top. And with this meal, we're gonna be having Marie's sweet iced tea. And we're going to have a chocolate dessert. And I almost forgot, but we are having breadsticks. Marie made us 2 breadsticks to go with it.
This is a very delicious soup. It's a copycat version from the Olive Garden, and I think you'll enjoy the other soups that I have made if you'll check out our playlist. And this soup is really delicious. I love the flavors in it, and I love the soups that Olive Garden has. So do what you love and love what you do, and y'all have a great evening. Bye.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here